This video demonstration showcases the AutoCAD Property Manager dialog box. It is essential to verify the information you receive from professionals as well as your own work as a designer. One tool that is useful to the pursuit of accurate information within AutoCAD drawings is the Property Manager dialog box. This video is relevant for both AutoCAD PC and Mac versions. Whether you are registered in an in-person class with me, or you have obtained the classroom in a book from Kendall Hunt Publications, this exercise utilizes the following file. Properties box exercise.dwg. To assess an object's properties, use grips to select one object at a time. We will start with the first line segment, entitled A. Once the object is selected, as indicated by the blue anchor boxes, right mouse click with your mouse to obtain a mini menu. Let's take a hyper pause here to discuss the mouse settings on both PC and Mac. In an earlier video, we set up the AutoCAD options for right mouse click customization. I recommend that you watch the relevant video for setting up AutoCAD on your computer. To quickly recap, at the command line type, Options, Return/Enter key. On the User Preferences tab, locate the button on the left-hand side entitled Right-Click Customization. Pick on it. From the new dialog box, make sure your settings match these. Let's take a look at the same mouse settings if you are on AutoCAD Mac. On the left-hand navigation band, highlight the General tab. Locate the mouse and trackpad customization setting here. By default, secondary click, right-click, displays the context menu if you do not check either of these boxes. Keep these unchecked. Why is this important for me to repeat? Because AutoCAD is designed for you to select an object, use the right-click feature on the mouse to obtain a mini menu of options. If you are following my tutorials, and I indicate that you should right mouse click for a mini menu, you will need to have your mouse set up accordingly to follow these instructions. Back in the Properties box exercise file, I have gripped the first line segment. Right mouse click to see the AutoCAD mini menu. From here, pick on Properties. The Properties box is now deployed. On the Properties dialog box, locate Length, which should read 9 feet 2 inches 1/2. Choose the corresponding choice for question A in the Check Your Knowledge quiz. Deselect the first line segment by picking on the Escape (ESC) key on your keyboard. Go to the second line segment. Using grips, select line segment B. Look to the Properties box to determine the length of the line segment. You will repeat these steps for all of the objects in this file, including the circles. When you get to the property of the circles, you may be asked to identify a circle's diameter, or the radius of the circle. Both are listed in the Properties box if the circle is selected. Remember, to use the Properties box, you can only have one object selected at a time. When you have answered the corresponding quiz question, deselect the object by picking on the Escape key. We will learn more about the utility of the Properties dialog box in upcoming lessons.